plane just started up, but we're gonna be doing some pattern work today at Montgomery Regional. Glad y'all can join me.
Alternate music distribution.
All right. Okay. So, we've got that started up. We'll check our engine oil pressures. Set our heading back to the normal where it's at. Almost 0. And clear that out. We'll go to our ATC.
Montgomery Airport, Connection Foxtrot 1453 Zulu, wind 1004, visibility 10, sky conditions, ceiling 8000, overcast. Temperature 27, dew point 17, altimeter 2992. Visit approaching use, landing and departing runway 10. Notices to air emissions, runway 321 closed, Echo 2 closed, Echo 1 closed, Echo taxiway between 1028 and taxiway Echo 2 closed, Bravo 1 closed, taxiway Bravo between Bravo 3 and Bravo 1 closed, runway 321 Real Pappy out of service. All IFR and Thursday departures, contact clearance delivery on 118.3, advise initial contact. You have information Foxtrot.
Information Foxtrot.
Montgomery Airport, Connection Foxtrot 1453 Zulu.
Go to ground now. And we'll go out here and do a run up and get flying. Alright, nose wheel straight, parking brake set, doors closed and latch, flight controls. And we have all flight controls. Alright, fuel set to both. Instruments are set. Put that up just a little bit. Alright, and our mixtures all the way in. Then we're going to go to throttle 1700 and check our mags. To the left, good drop, back to both, or to the right, and we'll go back to the left. And a good drop. And back up, and now carb heat. Great drop. And we're back up. And everything, we'll go back to idle all the way. Performing good. Ammeter vac. Things good over there. Throttle back to 1000. Mixture as required. And clear it to obtain. Montgomery ground, Cessna 2417 Lima.
Let's say again.
It's Cessna 2417 Lima, Montgomery ground.
2417 Lima, Montgomery ground.
17 Lima, we'd just like to stay in the pattern today, do a few landings, and we have Foxtrot, and we're ready to taxi.
2417 Lima, ride the runway 10, taxi via Alpha.
Runway 10, taxi via Alpha for 17 Lima.
And ground sky was 3949. We're probably not going to make that a release time. They're kind of slow out here. We're just about to push another 5 minutes probably.
Right, just advise.
Alright, so we're taxiing out to runway 10. Very, very long out here. Might try to get an intersection here, try to take off a little quicker once we get over here. But they had some construction going on here last time, so they've been fixing up these taxiways around here. We have the Air National Guard, which is actually behind the camera, so you can't really see that at all. There's Alpha 5. Alright, so I think we're going to do some regular landings, some soft field landings, try to work on those. Last time I went flying, I went to Dolphin Island, so I just kind of want to work on the craft, really. So I really want to get them landings down smoother and smoother every time, because when people fly with you, they're going to want smooth landings. If you're bumpy, they might not want to come around again. So let's try to work on that today. Probably do around 3 landings. Oh, that's new. That Alpha 6, there's a little intersection there. We'll tune into Montgomery Tower after this. We get close. Already have done our run up. Checked everything out good. About 80 degrees, or not 80, sorry, 90 degrees out here today. Clean my glasses off. A little sweat on them. Okay, now switch over to tower. And we'll get Stanley Tower. Montgomery Tower, Cessna 2417 Lima, at the end of runway 10, ready for takeoff.
November 2417 Lima, Montgomery Tower, runway 10, clear for takeoff, and 1306, on the go, make right close traffic.
Clear for takeoff, runway 10, on the go, make right close traffic for 17 Lima. Alright, set our power, put that nose up just a smidge, get up to 70 and lift off. And we'll be making right close traffic for today. I'm pretty good today, even though it's a little buggy outside. pattern altitude for this airport is 1200 since it's 200 above sea level. So we'll make we made our upwind. We'll get it turning toward, we'll turn on downwind. That would make our trim a little better. Having to fight the airplane. And we'll get up to that 1,200 feet. A little hazy out today. I expected that. The ceilings were at 7,000 feet, so.
Number 170, runway 10, clear for the option 1130 at 5.
Runway 10, clear for the option 17 Lima.
Number 170, Lima, clear for the option, accept, stop and go.
Clear for the option, accept, stop and go for 17 Lima. Alright. Start about 2,000. 1,500.
Montgomery Tower, clear track 345 is on the RNAV runway 10.
One
track 345, Montgomery Tower, runway 10, clear to land,
right.
120 at 5.
Turn right.
Clear to land, clear track 345, thank you. Runway 10, clear track 345.
On our base. Looking pretty decent coming down, holding that 80. We'll put another notch flaps. I'm counting in my head to around 3 seconds so I can get those, because it doesn't have notches, it just goes down by however much that you put into the flaps. So and she's clears for the option, so we will hit the ground running and do a quick touch and go here. More notch flaps. Almost at full flaps, not quite. We're holding 70. We'll get on that glide path here in just a second.
Montgomery Tower, Sky 3949 is ready for departure.
Sky West 3949, Montgomery Tower, hold short, runway 10, line traffic.
Hold short 10, Sky 3949.
Got a little bit of traffic here today. It looks like some regional jets. Still holding that 70. Trying to touch down on those big white marks in between them. Power back to idle. All right. Clean up those flaps. And we're back up. Number Tower 17 Lima, request close.
November 17 Lima, right close traffic approved.
Right close traffic approved, 17 Lima. Alright, so she clears for another right traffic. Right close. So that's exactly what we'll do. Cleaned up the flaps, cleaned up the carb heat. Take a right, we'll look right, turn right. Make sure there's no traffic out. There is some birds around here. Tower 17 Lima, I just want to advise there are some birds, 2 or 3 birds flying over the end of runway 10.
Tower 17 Lima, roger, say altitude.
They're approximately 800 feet over there.
Attention aircraft advisories in effect of departure in runway 10, approximately 800 feet.
I don't think she said 100 feet, but
Tower 17 Lima, extend downwind, regional jet departing prior to your arrival.
we're still on downwind for 17 Lima. Alright, so we're going to extend our downwind here. So we have an airplane coming in for final 10. Let's trim it up a little bit since we might have to go out just a smidge farther. Bring the idle back to a good 24,500 RPM. The wind's kind of making us drift just a smidge towards the airport, so we'll turn just a little bit away. Tower 17 Lima, confirm base now.
Number 17, negative, I'll call your base.
You'll call my base, 17 Lima. Alright, so we'll have to go out a little farther here.
Check 345, left turn Alpha 4, no delay on the runway, taxi to the ramp via Alpha, this frequency.
Alpha 4, no delay, and taxi with you via Alpha, clear check 345.
West 3949 runway 10, fly runway heading, clear for takeoff, wind 130 at 5.
Fly the runway heading 10, clear for takeoff, Sky 3949.
I guess we'll just keep flying out here. This is pretty far out, but we do what the air traffic controllers tell us. Alright.
Number 17 Lima, right base approved.
Right base approved, 17 Lima. Alright, so we'll head our turn. And we're about probably 3-4 miles out now from our approach. Had to go out pretty far for that landing and taking off traffic there. It's definitely more busy than I thought it was going to be today. I knew there'd be some regional jets around, but alright, since we're so far out now on approach, what we'll do is we'll wait till we get close to the airport and we will so let me call tell them we're on final. Tower 17 is on final.
Number 17 Lima, roger. Skywest 3949, contact departure.
Over departure, Sky 3949, see ya.
Alright, so yeah, we got about 2 to 3 mile final here. May make it 3 landings today. And do it that way. Since we went out so far.
November 17 Lima, runway 10, clear for the option 113 at 6.
Clear for the option, runway 1017 Lima. All right, clear for the option. I think the next one will be our final stop. Little bumpy. We'll start nosing down a little bit, less power. Slowing her down. All right, we're in the wide arc, so we'll put our first notch down. We'll go ahead and do 2 notches here. Hold an 80. All right, almost full flaps there. Flying a little slow, we'll speed up. Hold that 70. Definitely bumpy today. A little high, so we'll get that power back. And back to idle. And hold it off. There we go. Clean them flaps up. And we'll get going again. Apply that right rudder for the left turning tendencies. And we'll slowly pull back, and we're back and roll. See if she gives us one real quick. Left for close or right. Montgomery Tower 17 Lima requesting close.
November 17 Lima, right close traffic approved.
Right close traffic approved, 17 Lima. Alright, so we're just going to do all rights today. And we will advise her this is the final stop, final landing for us. Tower 17 Lima, this will be a full stop, by the way.
November 17 Lima, roger.
Alright, full stop this time. Let's make it a good one. Alright, back up to that 1,100. We'll reach that 1,200 and level off. Everything's looking good, oil pressure, suction, everything. Heading's just a little bit off here. We'll fix that. And we're back at 1,200. Maybe just a smidge close to the airport.
November 17 Lima, runway 10, clear to land, 11205.
Runway 10, clear land for 17 Lima. They do a few little regional operations here. They fly to Atlanta, Charlotte, and I think Dallas. I think that's the third airport they have that they go to. Oh, the wind is kicking my butt here. A little bit of turbulence. All right, nailed this back to 1500, and we're going to pull that carb heat out. Make all right. Not going to put down flaps just yet until we get on base. Then I feel like I can drop them. Still pretty quick. All right. 1, 2, 3. 1 notch. Go ahead and put 2 notches. The airplane is pretty much, it is going to fly the pitch with your throttle. So if you have too much throttle and you're going, and you're trying to go down, you're just going to go back up because you have too much power. But if you kind of hold those in sequence, you'll have a good descent on the glide slope. All right, we'll add 1 more notch. All right, that'll do it. We'll hold that 70. Now we'll decrease a little bit of power, put our nose down to keep it at 70. All right, we're bringing it back to idle. Oh yeah, better. All right, we'll clean those flaps up and she'll say when to close off. Pull that nose up.
Number 17 Lima, left turn Alpha 5, taxi to the V Alpha frequency.
Left close Alpha 5 and taxi parking this frequency for 17 Lima. Thank you. All right, and we're down. That's going to conclude our quick flight for a little bit of landing practice, a little pattern traffic work. Haven't done a little bit of that in a while. Open that window, it's a little hot. Get our after checklists here. When we stop. Alright, after landing, carb heat's all in. Throttle to 1,000. And we're going to mixture. We're going to put it out just a little bit here, about 2 finger length. Just like that. Flaps are up and we have our clearance. All right, so that's what it's like to fly around Montgomery Regional. And all this is new to me, the GoPro and the headset thing. So, but I think it'll work out great for a video. Hopefully it worked. If you're seeing it, it probably did. We're still videoing both of them, so cool. Okay. Alright, I think we'll park it right back where we found it. Okay, try to kind of swing it out just a smidge. Alright, cool. Unbuckle real quick. Alright, and for our shutdown, avionics are coming off.